Welcome to today's video. I'm going to be showing you how to do this Ariel bow holder right here. Let's go. The items that you will be needing would be are these, just these, mainly these two. You will need a round or oval wood piece. This is wood plank, and I got this one from Walmart, I think, for art mine. But you would preferably, I would think you would need the oval one because it looks more like a shape of a face. But I didn't find one, so I got a circle one. Then you will need your yarn. If you're doing another princess, then you get it accordingly to the hair color of the princess. I'm going to be doing Ariel, so I got red. You can do yellow for Rapunzel, black for Snow White, I don't know. You will need scissors to cut your yarn, a pencil if you want to sketch out the face, and then you will need acrylic paints or whatever. I have mine all in there, so I don't want to take it out. So let's get started to doing the bow. Now we let it dry. We might want to put Mod Podge in it so it gets sealed because of the pen. Make sure it doesn't smear because of the pencil marks right here. I didn't want to do it with marker because I didn't want it to be harsh, but that's how it looks. Ariel. You can go back with the skin color or the watercolor until see everything, like to detail. And yeah. No. Now we get to do her hair. Okay, I make a bunch of hair. So I'm thinking we're gonna have here I'm gonna tie this one right here just to make sure that's our size. And I make a little knot there, and then I let it drop. This is like the size from the handle of the door all the way down to the bottom. So that will be your length, more accuracy from like that. And you just simply pull it. Look at this. You pull it all the way down. Then you go around. You're going to see paint on my fingers. You go around and then you go all the way to the top. Now I have finished, and now right at the end we'll give it a cut right there. And I almost took the entire roll, but not entirely. So you grab another little piece, and that little piece is gonna help us grab everything. So I'm gonna give it maybe a hand length, then I'll tie my extra yarn here that I cut a little piece. Tie your little ribbon here, then you're able to grab it as a whole thing and not be able to be scared that something is going to happen to it. Okay, now that you have the hair here, and then you have your hot glue ready, and you get your seashells. I got these seashells when I had made Luna's birthday, and I had a bag from Michael's, I believe, but you can also find them at the dollar store, and I got these two. And but you get the part where you put your thread, the little piece here. That section right there is at the end, like at the corner of her eye or her eyebrow, wherever it's that you made it. Once you have that, you see that you can fluff up her bangs over here on the top, and you can simply kind of get half and half of whatever the middle is of your yarn and kind of push it towards the back, so she has kind of hair on the back. It doesn't matter, but it helps it make it look less fluffy. And then once you have it in there, you can pull it and arrange a little bit. Then you can hot glue, and all of her hair will be on that side. So I'm gonna make sure. To hang it, you can obviously grab a ribbon or basically hang it from this side. I'm going to just grab another ribbon and then right here hot glue it in the wood, and now there is our little mermaid hair. Like I told you, I didn't cut it from the bottom, and there's that one right there is our last one that we had. If you don't wanna look at it, you can tangle in there, or you can cut it, or you can simply push it in there, and it's done. Look at this. She is stunning. And now all that you have to do is put all your bows there. Ties, and it's more like a hair tie thing than a bow thing. You can obviously cut this once, and you can get them, or you can put them at the very end, and then get your headbands, and then they'll stay attached to the bottom. And look, I even had a seashell hairband here. I'm gonna put this one in here, and maybe this one looks a bit nicer than the flower, so I'm gonna take off the flower. Hands things, you can put your little bows all in here, and they can stay. Your bows and head in little bags, they can all be together from little two medium, two big bows. They can all now your headbands, your bows will look now from now on nicely neat and Ariel's head. I recommend for you to make sure that this thing it's a little bit this way so when it's hanging it's not going like, oh, my hair is being pulled. But yeah, there you go. Hopefully you guys like it. Comment down below if you are going to be doing it. Remember to Mod Podge it. Remember to click subscribe, click like, and come back for the next video that we are going to be having. And look at Ariel, it's very happy. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time and goodbye.